Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. It's been raining a lot in the past weeks, so I thought I would do a makeup look inspired by that. So here's a gloomy makeup, a cool toned, kind of like a smoky eye, not really. I'm going to show you how I did it, but before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I upload makeup videos every Monday and Friday. For now, I'm planning on adding Wednesday as well, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so the only thing I did for my makeup is my brows. I'm going to start with my eyes for today's look. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. This is the Fenty concealer. You can use any concealer, doesn't really matter. But I just want to cancel out the darkness on my lids and basically prime for the eyeshadow. Just going to use a nice buffing brush and just blend it in. And I'm going to use what's left over on my brush and just brush my lower lash line as well, because I want to do the whole eye look in the beginning, not just my upper lid as I usually do. I'm looking quite scary. Anyways, I'm going to pick up the Taupes by Juvia's Place. This is one of my favorite palettes at the moment. It's just cool toned, neutrals, beautiful, wearable. But I think I'm going to do an all matte look today. I don't know, that's how I'm feeling. But I'm going to pick this shade to go in my crease. And this is Juvia's Place 007 brush. So that is gonna go in my outer corner and crease area. So starting from the outer corner to pack the maximum pigmentation here. And then start to blend the color towards my crease. And I'm going to apply the same shade on my lower lash line. Just building up a little bit of this shade. I went back into the pan and picked up some more. Just intensify it a little bit. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to pick this shade all over my lid. So this is going to be my lid color as well. Then I'm going to pick this darker shade to intensify the look a little bit. And this is a Morphe M506 brush. Again, I'm starting from the outer corner and just packing the shade there. And then blending it into the crease as well. And I'm gonna pick my previous brush and blend this outer corner. Next I'm going to pick the Warrior, again by Juvia's Place. This is it, an all matte palette. And I'm actually going to mix two shades from this palette, so this really dark gray here with this one. I pretty much want to intensify the look without making it way too dark. This is a Makeup Addiction medium shader brush, by the way. And again, I'm starting from the other corner and I'm doing stamping motions. And just stamping that and moving my way to the center of the lid, near my lash line. And then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to blend towards my inner corner. I'm taking my previous brush and just going over the shade and blend it. And I'm trying to kind of blend it upwards. I want to lighten up my lid a little bit more. So I'm going to I'm just going to mix these two shades again. And I'm starting from the inner corner and just fading it towards the center of my lid. Back to my lower lash line, I'm going to pick up a black pencil. This one is from Boys and Berries. And I'm going to line my waterline. And underneath my lashes as well. I will pick this dark gray here on a flat brush And I'm just going to stamp that on my lower lash line, pretty close to my waterline. And then I'll use a small pencil brush to blend. This is a Morphe M149. I'm going to use the same flat brush with the same grey shade and just go over my lash line. Because I'm not going to do a wing liner, but I want to intensify the lash line just a little bit. And again, the pencil brush, just blending it. In my other corner, I'm just blending upwards, just to lift it a little bit. I applied some lashes off camera and I really miss full lashes like this. I can barely see, but I'm feeling myself. Anyways, I'm going to do the rest of the face kind of fast forward. I have plenty of other tutorials, including the face makeup, so enjoy the fast forward face makeup. Okay, this is the makeup all complete. I didn't intend to use as many Fenty products as I did, but I was like, if I started, I should just go Fenty all the way. The concealer is a no for me, but the rest of the products are quite great. Oh, and the primer. I wouldn't recommend the primer either. I really hope you enjoyed how the look came out. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Kind of matches my nails. Not really. Anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!